An urban economist wishes to estimate the proportion of Americans who own their homes. What size sample should be obtained if he wishes the estimate to be within 0.02 with 90% confidence if he uses a 2010 estimate of 0.669 obtained from the U.S. Census Bureau? Or B, he does not use any prior estimate. For these two problems, we're going to use that n equals. So we're going to use this for A. We're going to use n equals p hat times 1 minus p hat times z half alpha divided by e squared. This is the formula we're going to use. P hat is given to us right there. It's 0.669. E, that's the margin of error, is this number right here, 0.02. This z alpha, half alpha, we have to find by using this confidence interval. So let's figure out the z half alpha. Z. So we're going to do 1 minus 0.9. That gives us 0.1. We're going to divide 0.1 by 2, so that gives us 0.05. And now we're going to do the inverse norm of that number to figure out what is our z-score, that value for it. So we go to the calculator, hit second bars, inverse norm, 0.05. So then we're going to use a 1.644. So z half alpha is equal to 1.64445. E is equal to 0.02 and p hat is equal to 0.669. So when we plug that all into this information, this little formula right here, we'll get n is equal to 0.669 times 1 minus 0.669 times 1.645 divided by 0.02 squared. So we'll go to the calculator. The calculator will do all this for us. We just have to type it in correctly. So 0.669 times 1 minus 0.669 times 1.645 divided by 0.02 squared. So we get a number, right? 1,498.0486. That decimal, anytime you get a decimal, remember this is some sort of thing, right? It's a sample size, so we can't have decimals, so we round up. So then our number for A would be 1,499. 1,499. Now B uses the other formula, right? Without a p hat, it's just going to be 0.25 times the half alpha z-score divided by E squared, which is the same thing as saying 0.25 times this thing right here, 1.645 divided by 0.02 squared. And again, we'll go to the calculator. It'll do the math for us. All we have to do is type it in correctly. 0.25 times 1.645 divided by 0.02 squared. There's our number, 1,692, because again, we round up every single time. 1,692. And that's how you estimate a sample size, using the special characteristic P or no special characteristic whatsoever.